I got sent these and we are tent camping right now, so it was a perfect time to try them out. I thought it was interesting that you could heat them up. I didn't do that because it just seemed like a lot of effort to warm up water in the morning, which probably isn't a lot of effort, but felt like it for me. But you could also microwave them if you have them at home, so good to know. I did find it really difficult to realize there was a clear seal right here, and maybe that's just me being silly, but I didn't realize it had that, so I actually put like a little tear in the back, which is a horrible thing because now I have to either use all of these or we'll put it in a Ziploc bag and we can probably make them last longer. But we have our whole family camping, so I'm sure we'll go through them. This is what they look like when they come out. They are a nice, good large size. They're stretchy, they're damp. Used one, freshens things up, so that's good, gets any dirt off as well. And if you're out camping or you just need these for hygiene, maybe you are taking care of a relative where they can't bathe as easily, these could be great for that. Just know the opening is up there. I wish they had put something on the packaging to kind of like point to like open here or something like that, because that would have been great. So I would definitely change the packaging, but otherwise everything's good.